Greetings and welcome to the first Animal Spirit Guide connection. When I asked for guidance, Woodpecker showed up as the Animal Spirit Guide for this month. So today we are going to invite Woodpecker as our guide and learn from her what medicine she wants to share with each one of us. This is going to take about 5 minutes, and it's a simple practice to help us center ourselves so that we can establish that connection. So let's just start by closing our eyes and just take a few deep breaths. Tune into your breath. And as you breathe in all the way down to your lower belly. Hold the breath and exhale with a little force through your mouth. So as you breathe out, just imagine that you're letting go of anything that is holding you back from being fully present. And we'll do this for 3 rounds. So breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Now breathe naturally. And just be aware of your breath. Breathe in. Hold the breath in your lower belly. And breathe out. And now breathe out slowly, softly, and gently. Do this for a few rounds. With each breath, you feel the external world falling away as you go deeper and deeper within yourself. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out, slowly, softly, and gently. Now, in that space of being centered and with great humility, invite Woodpecker into your heart. It's almost as if you can hear her rhythmic chirping. Your heartbeat matches the rhythm of the woodpecker. Request Woodpecker to be your teacher for the next 4 weeks. Ask her, what medicine do you have for me today? What can I learn from you? And wait in patience. You may get an impression, or maybe you will learn more about woodpecker medicine in the next few weeks. Accept whatever comes with gratitude and humility. That's it. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. Bring your awareness back to your body. Become aware of your surroundings. And when you feel ready, you may open your eyes. This is your gift. This is your medicine for this month. Sometimes the teachings may be subtle, and sometimes they may seem more obvious. I recommend journaling or coloring or singing or dancing as you spend time with Woodpecker. Remember to check in with her as the month progresses.